Ever feel like you're living in two worlds? One where you're scrolling through your phone, ordering groceries, booking flights, all in a few taps. Then, the other, where you're still shuffling through paper statements, waiting in line at a branch, and trying to decipher banking jargon that sounds like a foreign language. It's a bizarre disconnect, isn't it? Like trying to fit a floppy disk into a USB port. We're all chasing that seamless, digital experience. We want everything at our fingertips, instant access, and the ability to manage our lives on the go. So, naturally, when it comes to something as crucial as our finances, the question arises, is your bank keeping up? Are they stuck in the analog age, or have they embraced the digital revolution? Today, we're diving into a question that many Aussies are asking, is Westpac an online bank? It's a question that cuts to the heart of how we interact with our money in the 21st century. Now, Westpac is a household name. You see their branches on high streets, their ATMs everywhere. It's one of Australia's big four banks, a financial institution with a long and storied history. But in a world increasingly dominated by apps and digital platforms, traditional banking models are being challenged. The rise of neobanks, those digital-first, branchless entities, has reshaped our expectations. We expect convenience, speed, and 24/7 access. So, let's cut to the chase. Westpac does offer a robust online banking platform. You can access your accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, and manage your finances through their website and mobile app. They've invested heavily in their digital infrastructure, and they offer a range of online services that are comparable to many digital-only banks. However, and this is crucial, Westpac is not exclusively an online bank. They maintain a significant physical presence with branches and ATMs across the country. They offer a hybrid model, blending traditional brick-and-mortar banking with modern digital solutions. This hybrid approach has its pros and cons. On the one hand, you get the security and reassurance of physical branches, especially for complex transactions or face-to-face advice. On the other hand, it might not offer the same streamlined, cost-effective experience as a purely digital bank. Think about it. You might appreciate the option of walking into a branch for a home loan consultation, but for everyday transactions, you'd probably prefer the convenience of your phone. Westpac caters to both, offering a balance between traditional and digital banking. They've integrated features like mobile payments, digital wallets, and real-time transaction notifications into their online platform. They've also been working on improving their app's user interface and functionality, aiming to provide a more intuitive and seamless experience. But, and it's a significant but, they are still a large, legacy institution. And with legacy comes the challenges of adapting to a rapidly changing digital landscape. They are constantly playing a catch-up game. Neobanks are often faster to innovate and implement new technologies. Ultimately, whether Westpac's online banking capabilities meet your needs depends on your individual preferences. If you value the security and accessibility of physical branches, combined with the convenience of online banking, then Westpac might be a good fit. If you're looking for a purely digital experience with cutting-edge features and lower fees, you might want to explore other options. Westpac's online presence is a significant part of their business, but they are not an online-only bank. They are a traditional bank adapting to the digital age, offering a hybrid model that caters to a broad range of customers. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.